What do the dashboard warning indicator lights and instrument cluster symbols on the 2025 Honda Civic mean? In this guide, we'll explore their functions, helping you understand their importance and how they assist in maintaining your vehicle's performance. Instrument panel. Models with A-type meter. Models with B-type meter. This visual index highlights key controls and features, from the Vehicle Stability Assist and Intuitive Driver Information Interface to the convenient power tailgate and available heated seats. Cluster indicators. Automatic brake hold indicator. Automatic brake hold system indicator. Parking brake and brake system indicator, red. Malfunction indicator, lamp, charging system indicator. Parking brake and brake system indicator, amber. Shift position indicator, M, sequential mode, indicator. Transmission system indicator, seat belt reminder indicator. Low fuel indicator, anti-lock brake system indicator, supplemental restraint system indicator, electric power steering system indicator, vehicle stability assist off indicator, econ mode indicator, low tire pressure, turn signal and hazard warning indicators, lights on indicator, high beam indicator, auto high beam indicator, shift up indicator, shift down indicator, system message indicator, sport mode indicator, normal mode indicator, individual mode indicator, low temperature indicator, cruise mode indicator, adaptive cruise control with low speed follow interval, auto idle stop indicator, auto idle stop off indicator, auto idle stop suspend indicator, security system alarm indicator, lane keeping assist system indicator, safety support indicator. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2. Scanner for diagnostic. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.